The following video explains how to set the convection autoconversion function on your LG range. By default, the convection bake and convection roast cooking modes automatically convert the set temperature for convection cooking. When this feature is enabled, the display will show the actual converted temperature. For example, if you enter a temperature of 350 degrees Fahrenheit from a standard recipe, after preheating, the range displays the converted temperature of 325 degrees Fahrenheit. The temperature adjustment corrects for the more efficient heat transfer during convection cooking. The function automatically subtracts 25 degrees Fahrenheit or 14 degrees Celsius from the entered temperature. If you would prefer to shorten the cook time, rather than adjust the temperature when using the convection modes, turn this function off in Settings. Setting the convection autoconversion function on your LG range for models LREL6325 and LRGL5825. Press Settings repeatedly until Auto appears in the display. Press 1 to switch autoconversion on or off. Press Start to accept the change. Setting the convection autoconversion function on your LG range for model numbers LREL6323 and LRGL5823. Press and hold the clock button for 3 seconds. Press clock repeatedly until Auto appears in the display. Press plus/minus buttons to switch autoconversion on or off. Press Start to accept the change. For more information, refer to the owner's manual and quick reference guide for the appliance.